Okay, let's start now, guys. Welcome back to my session. That is the second time to be with you during math grade 9 Cambridge. And today we're going to talk about mensuration. I will speak and explain and solve with you. And if you want any question, please raise your hand or text me, okay? So it's not easy to cover all the topic mensuration because mensuration is related to measure. You must be able to calculate the area and the volume of 2D shapes and 3D shapes, and also calculate the perimeter and the area and the volume, and also the circumference of the circle, area of circle, and also area and length of the arc. So let's start with units of area. Units of area. First of all, you need to be able to, let's zoom this one so you can see better, okay? You need to use those units of area, units of length, units of area, units of mass, units of volume, units of capacity in practical situations, and express quantities in terms of larger or smaller units. For example, we know that in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter, in 1 kilometer we have 1,000 meter. 1 square centimeter equals 100 square millimeter, 1 square meter equals 10,000 square centimeter, 1 square kilometer equals 1 million square meter. And also you know that 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1,000 cubic millimeter, and 1 cubic meter equals 1 million cubic centimeter. And also you know that 1 milliliter is the same as 1 cubic centimeter, and 1 liter is 1,000 milliliter. Let's practice and solve. First question, complete these units conversations. So sometimes you need to convert from one unit to another related to the problem you are solving. Sometimes when you solve area problem, he gave you like in one problem meter and centimeter. So sometimes you need to convert from unit to another. Yes, Muhammad?
Mr. I think it's 10,000 centimeter square.
In the square?
Yeah.
Related to what in the square? You mean the area and the perimeter?
No, Mr. I'm seeing the answer.
You need to see the answers. Okay, answer. Letter A, answer. Number 1. Letter A.
10,000 centimeter square.
Yes. As Muhammad said, 1 square meter equals, we multiply by 10,000. So you have here 1. So 1 multiply 10,000 equals 10,000 square centimeter. Guys, you know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, okay? So if you want to make square, you just put here square, yes? So you put 4 zeros here. And B, 1 square kilometer equals how many square meter? So here, you know that 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So if you want to put kilometer, square kilometer, so also here squared, so you need 6 zeros, it means 1 million. So here you multiply by 1 million. Yes, Mahmoud, also correct. 1 times 1 million equals 1 million square meter. Letter C, 20,000 square centimeter equals square meter. Guys, you know that from larger to smaller we multiply, and from smaller to larger we divide. So here we need to divide. Yes, huh? Muhammad Aslan, correct? Yes. Yes, correct. So we divide by 10,000 equals 2 square meter. in letter D, we need also to divide because square meter is less than square kilometer. So we divide here. We divide by, we divide by 1 million. Yes, guys.
0.05 kilometers square.
Yes, correct. We divide by 1 million. So you have this 50,000 divide by 1 million means 6 zeros. So you can cross 5 zeros with 5 zeros. 4. We divide by 1 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 1, 2. We divide by 1 million, yes?
Yeah.
Yes. So?
It will be 0.05, sir.
Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also 1 minute. I need to erase this one. So yes, again. So in 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we remove 4 zeros with 4 zeros. So 5 divided by 100, 0.05 square kilometer. The last one from kilometer to square meter.
It will be 15.8 times the million, which will give us a result of 40 million meters square. 40 million and 800 meters square.
Yes, you divide, you multiply by 10 power 6 or you multiply by 1 million. So you have this one multiplied by 1 million or 10 power 6, the same. So the answer is 148 and 5 zeros.
100,000.
Any questions, guys, related to those questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, just raise your hand or text me. Mahmoud and Muhammad Aslan, thank you for answering. Guys, after the period finish, I'm gonna share with you this worksheet or these notes. So if you want to study. So let's move. Another something. So here related to 2D shapes. So you need to know how to calculate the perimeter and the area, of rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium. So you need to carry out calculations involving the perimeter and the area of rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, and trapezium, and compound shapes derived from these. Like here, and we know that in triangle, the area equals L times height and the perimeter 2L plus 2H. H is the height, of course. Triangle equals the area of it, B times H divided by 2, or you can write like this, area is half times B times H, or like this, B times H divided by 2, and the perimeter is A plus B plus C. And the parallelogram, you know that the area is B times H, so, and also the perimeter of the parallelogram, the sum of its side length. In the trapezium, you have two bases. So if you want to calculate the area of the trapezium, you just add the two bases like A plus B and find the half of it, multiply by the height, which is H, or A plus B divided by 2, multiply the height. Then we need to solve this example. Calculate the area of this shape. Okay, guys, who can do this? We need to calculate the area of this. Okay, guys?
So can I try?
Yes, Muhammad?
Okay. First of all, we need to divide the shape into two areas, A1 and A2.
Yes.
So A1 is equal to 4 times 10.
Yes. The second one?
And the second one is 1 minute. Have 4 times 6 or 4 times 6 over 2.
Thank you, Muhammad, and also thank you, Salma. And let's do it together. We said that the total area equals A1 plus A2, means the area of the first shape plus area with I mean the area of the rectangle and the area of triangle. Basically the area of rectangle, so area 1 equals length multiply height, means 4 times 10 equals 40 square centimeter. And A2, we know that A2 is a triangle, so this one is a triangle, so the area of that triangle equals half B times H. Here guys, B is 4 here, and the height here is 6, so half times 4 times 6, half times 4 times 6 equals half 4 is 2 times 6, 12 square centimeter, and then you find the sum or the total area equals 40 plus 12 equals 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 6 divided by 2 equals 12. Then we add equals 52 square centimeter. 52 square centimeter. Muhammad Aslan and Salma and Mahmoud, thank you very much for being active and participating. Thank you so much. So guys, again, the total area here equals A1 plus A2, where A1 is a rectangle, A2 is a triangle. Then you find the total. The area of rectangle, length times width, or base times height. Then 4 times 10 equals 40 square centimeter. And the area of the triangle, half BH, half the base times the height. Here the base is 4, the height is 6. Then half times 4 times 6 equals 12. Then you find the total, the sum equals 52 square centimeter. Any questions related to this? Guys, if you want any question, you can ask. Don't hesitate to ask. Okay, guys, let's go. It's better if you have pen and paper and solve with me. Okay, Salma, you want? No problem. Now, anyone can talk if you want to speak. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir, thank you.
Welcome. Okay.
Mr.
Yes?
The triangle is 4 multiple. Okay, خلاص, I understood. Sorry.
Actually, here the triangle, you need to find.
Yes, I forgot to divide by 2.
Yeah, I multiplied by half here, the same as divided by 2.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, guys, we need to do those questions from A to B and from A to C. We need to find the area and the perimeter of the rectangle and the parallelogram. Who can do letter A? The perimeter here and the area. Quickly, guys. Okay, Salma, you can answer?
Yes, sir, but I don't remember the perimeter, so but I can do the area.
Okay, do the area.
The area is here, and we're going to do 8 times moment on internet. Here we're going to do 8 times 6.
Yes.
Which will be 48.
48 square centimeter, correct. Well done. Thank you. Another one. Mahmoud, do the perimeter. Mahmoud, you have mic.
Sir, 68.
Yes, because here 2L plus 2H, which is 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6, 16 plus 12, 28 centimeter. Guys, for the perimeter equals what? Equals the sum of the length of the shape. So if you forgot at the exam, No problem. You just put here 8 and here 6. Then you add 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8. You're gonna calculate the parameter. So take it easy. For the parameter, you just find the total of all the sides. Letter B, who can do it? Letter B, the parallelogram.
Sorry, again?
Muhammad? Okay, Muhammad, yalla, the area and the parameter. Find the area or the parameter, which one you like?
Area is
Okay, the area. Yeah.
area is half A plus B over H times H, sorry.
Only half is only in the triangle, but square and rectangle and parallelogram, we don't need to use half. Use half with the trapezium and with a triangle. So here you just multiply the base by the height. So H here is 5 and the base here is 11. So 11 multiply 5 equals 55 square centimeter. So with the parallelogram, guys, you only multiply the base, which is 11, by the height, which is 5. So 11 multiplied by 5, you got 55 square centimeter. Is it easy? Huh? For the parameter.
It will be 38.
The parameter, the same as the rectangle. No difference between the rectangle and the parallelogram. So it is 2 multiply 8 plus 2 multiply 11 equals 16 plus 22 equals
30.
Yes, 38 centimeter.
Mr.
Yes.
Can you repeat the area part? I don't understand why you take H and B on.
In the parallelogram?
Yeah, in the parallelogram.
Okay, you understand the area of the rectangle?
Yes, I know. I understand.
The parallelogram is the same as the rectangle. See, I will do something for you. See here. And focus. See. 1 minute. Here we go. I can complete this to make it like a rectangle for you. See? You see this rectangle now?
Yeah.
Here, from here, if I say A, B, C, D, this rectangle, what is the area of this rectangle? A, B, C, D.
1 minute.
You multiply 11, yes, by 5, isn't it?
Yeah.
The same. So the area of this rectangle here is the same as the area of the parallelogram. So we say that the area of the parallelogram equals base times height.
Mr. What about the rest of the image?
Where?
Triangle over there.
This part you mean?
Yeah, this part.
You mean this part?
Yeah, Mr. This part, yeah.
Okay, see. You see the rectangle A, B, C, D? You see it well?
Yeah, Mr.
With yellow?
Yeah, I do.
What is the area of this rectangle?
It's 55, sir.
Base times height. Yes?
Yeah, this times height. 5.
Okay. This is the area of the rectangle. The area of the rectangle. We have this part. This part with black. With black. This, okay? If you cut it and you put it here, you will have the parallelogram now. It will be like this.
Sir?
Huh?
But why in my math book, they say that the area of the parallelogram is something like half base by height. 1 minute. Please, half base by height.
See, what's your name?
Muhammad.
See يا محمد. See the parallelogram here يا محمد?
Yes, I can see.
Here, imagine that this is the area of land, okay? If you want to calculate this, the area of this one, we imagine that we have a rectangle, this rectangle with black, okay?
Yeah.
So the area of rectangle is the same as B by H, base times height, okay? We know that if the area of this rectangle is 40, for example, so the area of the parallelogram also will be 40. Because the area of the parallelogram is the same as the rectangle here.
Okay, Mr. Thank you.
You're welcome. Muhammad.
Yes.
Muhammad. See, Muhammad.
Yes,
any 2D shape like parallelogram, square, rectangle, okay, and also triangle, and also the trapezium. You just multiply the base by the height, okay? But in the triangle and trapezium, we need to multiply by half first.
Okay.
That like a general formula you can use in any problem. Base times height, but in triangle and trapezium, we multiply by half. Okay, can you do 2A now?
54 centimeters square.
The area of this triangle.
Okay. So the area, it will be set half base by height, which will be half times 9 times 12, which will give us 54 centimeters square.
Yes, half times 9 times 12 equals 54 square centimeter. You got it now? You understand it?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Noor, Muhammad.
Yes, Mr. Are you talking to me or Muhammad, the other one?
You, Muhammad Abul Aziz.
Yes.
Welcome. Can you do letter B, the area?
Okay, the formula is for area is 1 over 2 A plus B multiply height.
Yeah, nice. Multiply height.
8 multiply 12 is 96. Multiply 6, I don't have the calculator, 1 second.
Okay, no problem. Half times 20 times 6, it will be, I think, 60. Yes.
The height is 6.
Yes, the height is 6 here.
Okay, yes.
And this is B1, and this is B2, or A and B as you like.
So the answer will be 60, yes.
Yes, 60 square centimeter. Okay, thank you very much.
Perimeter, we cannot calculate the perimeter.
The perimeter?
Yes, we cannot calculate it.
I cannot do it because I don't know the length of those sides.
Yes.
So I can't find the perimeter. By the way, he said only find the area. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Who can do letter C, guys? It's a little bit letter C. Ali, correct, Ali. Can you speak, Ali?
Yes, sir.
Ali Yusuf.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ali, explain how to do it.
0.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8, sir, which is 40.
You're gonna multiply 0.5 by 10 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Directly.
Yes, sir.
You mean the two diagonals multiply by half and you got it, okay? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, yes. Salma said have D1, D2. Excellent, ya Salma. If you don't know this rule, Salma and Ali said we can do half times D1 times D2, then half times 10 times 8 equals 40 square centimeter. Well done. Another way, can we do another way? Another way, Yes, Muhammad Aslan.
The other one would be 8 times 10 over 2.
The same, 10 times 8 over 2, the same. What do you think if I divide this shape into two triangles? This one and this one. And then you add, you find the area of this one and the area of this one. So the A1, I can say that A1 and here A2, then the area will be A1 plus A2 will be from, this one is 10, this one is 4, so this one is 4 also. So half times 10 times 4 plus half times 10 times 4 will be 40 also. 40 square centimeter. Anyway.
Sir, how did we know it is 4?
How do you know what?
And that it is 4. The one is 10 and the other one is 4.
Yeah, from the geometry that we know that those two diagonals are perpendicular.
Oh, okay.
It's 8 centimeters. The whole figure 8 centimeters height. So we'll divide by 2.
Yes, 4 and 4. Maybe if you don't want to use this one, no problem. No problem. You can directly say half times D1 times D2 and then half times 10 times 8 and you find the answer. Actually, it doesn't matter the way you use the way you feel comfortable to use it, but give me the correct answer. It doesn't matter, okay? Okay. Guys, you need any questions? Any question here? Okay, let's go down.
Oh, thank you.
Go down. Now the circle. In the circle, actually, you need to find the circumference and the area of the circle, and also solve problems involving the arc length and the sector area as a fraction of the circumference and the area of the circle. You know the circle, and you know also in the circle you have the radius and the diameter. Yes? Here, circle, and also in the circle you have, this is the center of the circle and this is the radius, and from here to here is the diameter, so R and R, so the diameter equals 2R. Yes? Means R equals the diameter divided by 2, and we know that the area of the circle by R squared, and the circumference of the circle is 2 by R, and we know in the circle we have the minor sector or the minor arc, this one, and you need to find the length and the area of the minor arc, sector or the minor arc. The length of the minor arc is theta divided by 360 multiplied by 2R. Here the same but multiplied by R squared. In the exam, or when you are solving and you feel confused and you forgot how to do it, remember, what is the circumference of the circle? 2 by R. Yes? So you use 2 by R with the length. And you use by R squared with the area. Both of them, including theta divided by 360. Whereas theta is this angle opposite to the arc. Okay? Okay, let's solve example here. Salma?
Yes, sir.
Can you read the problem, please?
Of course. A large circular cheese has radius 12 centimeter. A wedge is cut from the cheese in the shape of a sector of angle 40 degrees. Calculate A. The cross-sectional area of the wedge. B. The total perimeter of the wedge.
Thank you.
Welcome,
Thank you.
sir.
So guys, here we need to calculate the area of the sectional area of the wedge and the total perimeter of the wedge. Easy, guys. Take it easy. First of all, you need to imagine it and you need to draw it first. It will be something like this. Okay? And here he said the radius is 12. So this one is 12 centimeter. And the angle, he said, and the angle is 40 degrees. So the angle here is 40 degrees. So this also is 12 because they are equal. So this one is 12 also. Then he said, find the cross-sectional area. Means the area. Okay? So what is the area? Huh? The area is, huh?
The answer is 50.27.
Nice, correct. So here the area is theta divided by 360 times, I forget now, 2 by r or by r squared. Oh, I remember now. Here is the area. So in the area, I bought the area, which is b by r squared. So what is theta? Theta is the angle, and the angle is 40. 40 divided by 360, multiply by, write by as it is, multiply by, what is r? R is the radius, which is 12, multiply by 12 squared. Use your calculator. You got it. Huh?
50.26.
1 minute. Muhammad Aslan, you forgot to put 12 squared.
Yeah, I forget.
Okay, so who calculated?
Sir, is it 50.26?
50.26.
50.26,
50.26, sir.
yes? You can write it like this.
Yeah.
50.323 significant figure, to 3 significant figure. Okay, guys? That is the area of the section here, the area of this part.
The area of this section?
Yep.
51.3.
So the area of this yellow part is 50.3 to 3 significant figures. Guys, you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we need to find the perimeter or the total perimeter. What is the total perimeter here, guys? The total perimeter.
Circumference. We need to find the circumference.
The circumference of what?
Of the sector over here.
He said find the total perimeter, and the total perimeter here including three things. The arc itself, yes, is number 1 here. Yes, and R and another R. So the total perimeter, equals number 1 r plus r plus the length of the arc. The length of the arc. The length of the arc. Again, guys, you need to find the total perimeter. Perimeter means like the length or the distance. Imagine that you are standing here, okay? And you want to move around the shape. So you need to find the perimeter, means you calculate all this distance. So you find r plus the length of the arc plus the other r. So r1 or r plus r plus the length of the arc. Mahmoud said 99.4. We're gonna see now. Guys, you got this? You understand this? First, before we complete, you understand what I wrote here? Huh?
Yes, Mr. Again.
Please, if you understand, press 1. You got it? Okay. Okay, let's complete. Okay. So, let's complete. It will be 12 plus 12 plus the length of the arc. What is the length of the arc? Huh? Theta divided by 360. Theta divided by 360 multiply 2 by r. Here 24 plus 40 divided by 360 multiply 2 by times r is 12. Someone maybe ask, why teacher you don't remove by and you put, for example, 3.14 or 22/7? Because when you write it like this and you calculate it using calculator, it maybe it's more accurate, So, what is the answer?
32. Sir, can I say?
I mean the final answer now.
Yes.
It will be 24 plus, I think,
8.38.
8/3 by, then it will be
32.37, sir.
32.37 or 32.4 to 3 significant figures. Okay, guys, you got it?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice. Complete. Guys, I will share with you after the period this worksheet, and you need to do it again. So the whole topic will be easy for you. But
sir, can you send the notes also?
Okay, no problem. I will share with you both of them.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Can you read the number 1 now? Find in terms of by.
Who will read, sir?
You.
Okay. Find in terms of pi the area which is enclosed between two circles with the same center, one with the radius 7 and the other with the radius 5.
Okay.
Show that the area of a shape consisting of a square
No,
of side.
1 minute. We need to do 1 first and then we go to 2. Do number 1 first. Okay. Can you do it? What is the area of the circle? The formula?
Pi r square.
By r squared. And here you have 2 circles and we need to find the area enclosed between 2 circles. Means this area, yes?
Yes. We calculate each one and then minus them together. The big
Excellent.
one minus the small one, and the difference is the area.
يا سلام تمام التمام. Excellent. So area, the area will be A1 minus A2. Yes, A1 is the greatest one and A2 is the smaller one. Yes, the greater one and the smaller one. So by R1 squared minus by R2 squared. Teacher, which one is R1 and which one is R2?
R1 is the 7 and R2 is the 5.
R1 is 7 and R2 is 5. Okay, complete, huh?
I calculate it on the calculator now. It is pi 7 square
by multiply 7 squared minus
minus pi 5 squared.
5 squared. Excellent. So it will be 49 by minus 25 by equals 49 minus 25
is 24.
24 by. We done here or we need to complete more?
We need to multiply them together. It will be 75.4.
But can you read this again, please?
Find in terms of pi.
So
okay.
We need to keep it like this.
Yes.
Guys, take care about the question, because sometimes the question he said, I need you to write it in terms of pi. I need you to round it to nearest 3 significant figure or 2 significant figures. So 3 significant figures or 2 significant figures. So you need to take care of those statements. Okay? Guys, you understand it? You got it or not? Easy,
yes,
guys. Easy. You have 2 areas, the first area and the second area, and then you subtract them. You got the enclosed area between the 2 circles.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mahmoud.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Can you read number 2?
Yes, sure, sir. Show that the area of a shape consisting of a square of side length 4 centimeters with a semicircle of radius 2 centimeters added to one side is 16 plus 2 pi.
Wow, I like those questions because he already gave me the answer. Yes, so in the end, I will be sure that my answer is correct 100%. What is the meaning of semicircle?
Half of a circle.
Yes, we know the word semi, like semisphere or semicircle, or if you like football, like semifinal, yeah, means half. Yes, so what do you think? How can we do it?
Pi squared divided by 2.
So here you need to calculate 2 shapes, yes?
Yes, sir. The square.
This one. Which is square, yes, square. And the yellow part, which is semicircle. So what do you think now? We need to find how many areas?
2 of them.
2 areas. The area of the square, this one, and the area of the semicircle. Thank you so much. Thank you. Salma?
Yes, sir.
Can you calculate the area of the square?
The square, it's 4 times 4.
Easy, huh? So here A1,
yes.
here A2. So area A1 equals?
A1 equals 4 times 4, 16.
And the area, the second area?
2 centimeter too.
The area of the semicircle. Huh? What is the area of the semicircle, يا سلمى?
The formula you mean?
The formula or you do it? Mahmoud, thank you, Mahmoud. Thank
Is
you.
it 3.44?
Yes, yeah, Mahmoud, thank you. Thank you, Salma. Thank you very much. Let's ask also Muhammad Aslan. Muhammad, we need to calculate. Salma participated and we have started doing it. So we need now to calculate the semicircle, the area of it.
I think the rule is half by r.
By r or by r squared?
R squared, sorry.
Squared. The area of the circle is by r squared. But here it is semi. Semi means half. So we divide by 2 or multiply half. Then 4 times 4.
4 times 4 is 16 plus half being half by r. The r will be 2.
R means 2 squared. So it will be 16 plus
6.3.
16 plus 2 by. But teacher, why you keep it like this? Because in the question he said, I need it in terms of by. Guys, you got it, you understand it.
But Mr. The question even give us the answer.
Again?
The question gave us the answer already.
Yeah, he just asked us to prove it, to prove it, to give the proof that this answer is correct.
Okay.
Is that difficult?
Yes. But can I ask a question?
Ask, of course, sure.
The question before this one. Will it matter to put by 5 power 2 or by 7 power 2 at the first?
You mean to put 5 first, then 7?
Yeah, will it matter or not?
If you do like this, it will give you the answer in negative. It will be negative. And there is no area with negative. Okay?
No, okay.
Okay, I will give you like a shortcut. We always put the greater one first. The greater one first. Okay? Thank you, guys. So, okay, guys? Go down. Here. In this part, you need to carry out calculations involving surface area, volume and the volume of cuboid, prism, and cylinder, and carry out calculations involving the surface area and the volume of a sphere, pyramid, and cone. Carry out calculations involving the areas and the volumes of compound shapes. Okay? So first of all, we have cuboid, and cuboid, the volume of the cuboid is base times height times length. Surface area of the cuboid is 2HL plus 2HP plus 2BL, means here 2 open parentheses HL plus HP plus PH. Because you know that here the cuboid is something like this. So if you want to calculate the surface area, you need to calculate all of those areas together. And the volume of the prism, means the cuboid or the triangular prism equals the cross-sectional area times the height. In the cylinder, the cross-sectional area equals pi r squared, which is like area of circle, guys. Area of circle by r squared. The volume by r squared times height. Any volume is the base of the area times height. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 by RH, 2 by RH, and the total surface area of the cylinder is 2 by RH plus 2 by R squared. Ali?
Yes, sir.
Can you read, please?
Okay, sir. A cylindrical can of tube has a diameter of 7.5 centimeters and a height of 11. Calculate the volume of the can.
Okay, thank you so much. So you guys, you have like cylinder can of soup, maybe something like this. Yes, Selma, correct. So something like this. So the height here is 11. The radius, he said the diameter. See, the diameter. So the radius here, Mahmoud, correct also Mahmoud. So here, the diameter is 7.5. So the radius is diameter divided by 2 equals 3.75 centimeter. Salma, Muhammad, Mahmoud, thank you. Salma, also thank you for participating. Okay. Okay, Salma, can you speak?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of the volume of the cylinder?
Volume equals pi times radius square times height. Yes, so you can hear me, right? So you can hear me?
Huh?
Sir, can you
forgot?
hear me? No, I'm saying, sir, you can hear me?
Yeah, now I hear you. Huh?
Oh, okay, sir. I'm saying pi times radius square times height.
Exactly. By R squared by the height. The area of the base times the height. And the area of the base is circle. What is the area of the circle? By R squared times the height. So by R squared times height. Muhammad Aslan. Thank you, Muhammad. So it will be by, what is radius, ya Salma?
The radius is 1 minute. As 3.75.
Yes, times height. What is the height?
11.
Yes, 11. Then use your calculator. It will be something like this.
74.
485 times 0.96.
Yes.
And it's approximately 486.
486.
Yes, 486.
To cubic centimeter to 3 significant figures. Thank you, Salma, and thank you, Muhammad Aslan.
Okay.
Ali Yusuf, can you speak, Ali?
Yes, sir.
You calculated like 1 minute. You give me like 1,943.86. How you calculated? You multiply, you put 7.5 squared?
Yes, sir, I did.
Actually here, you know now your mistake?
Sir, no, I'm confused.
Because here he said the diameter.
Yes, sir.
But here we need the radius. So you need to divide by 2 first.
Oh, okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir, I understood.
You got it? Okay.
Yes, Mr. Thank you.
Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sir, shouldn't we divide it by pi also?
Divide again by pi.
Yes, you said r equal d divided 2.
Yes.
But we should divide because diameter is 2 pi r, so we need to divide it by 2 pi.
No. See, what's your name?
Muhammad Abu Al-Azz.
See, Muhammad. We have here circle. Yes.
Yes.
In the circle, you have the center of the circle. Yes. Then if you draw yes, then AB is a diameter.
Yes. Ah, okay. Sorry, I messed up in something.
And
I thought it
AM
was the perimeter.
AM is the radius. So now you have radius, diameter, and you have perimeter and area.
Yes.
Okay? You got it now?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
I'm very happy that you are involving and asking. Thank you for asking. Okay. Guys, you got it? You need any question here? The volume of the cylinder?
Yes, the
Okay.
same.
Muhammad Aslan,
Yes.
can you read this?
So this one. A cylinder can of tube has a diameter of 7.5 centimeter and the height of 11 centimeters. Calculate A, the curved surface area of the can. B, the total surface area of the can.
Okay. Guys, I need you to imagine. Hello. Mahmoud, correct, yeah, Mahmoud. Thank you. See here. See. Thank you, Mahmoud. Yes. I need you to imagine the cylinder. It is something like this. So when you find, you need to find the curved surface area. The curved surface area. It means you need to find the rectangle also only here. This part only. 1 minute, guys, please. I need to. 1 minute. No need to do this only. Guys, we know that here the curved surface area is 2 by r h. 2 by r times h. That is the curved surface area. 2 by r times h. Thank you, Mahmoud. Yes, correct, Mahmoud. So 2 by r times h, 2 times by times r. R here is the diameter, or the radius divided by the diameter is 2r, so 7.5 divided by 2 times height. The height is 11. Then the answer is 259.981 equals 259.981? Is it 259.981? 1 minute. I need to calculate it again. 2 times by 2 times by times 7.5 divided by 2 times 11. It is 259.181. 181. Yes. So here 181. So you need to calculate it, or you need to round it. Anyway, 259.181 rounded to 3 significant figure will be 259 to 3 significant figures. We need now only to calculate the total surface area. The total surface area. The total surface area equals the curved surface area plus 2 by r squared. So total surface area is curved surface area added to 2 by r squared. Teacher, why here you put 2? Because as I said in the beginning, I have 2 circles. I have 2 bases. So in the total area, you calculate the area of this base plus the area of this base. So the area of the base is by r squared here. Then you have 2 of them, then you multiply by 2. So it will be equals 259.181 plus 2 times pi times 3.75 squared equals Mahmoud, thank you Mahmoud. Yes, Mahmoud, because we have 2 circles. Yes, of course. So the answer now is 348 square centimeter to 3 significant figures. Thank you guys for being here. Actually, I'm very happy to be with you today, and thank you for being in my class. Thank you for being active, participating, and yeah, thank you very much. I hope I can see you again later, inshallah.
Sir.
Yes?
In the past papers, all the question asked about perimeter and area only, yes? There are 3D shapes, but we still didn't do it, yes?
For the past papers, you mean paper 1 and paper 3?
Yes.
You mean it's
Like,
only including
no, in mensuration. I mean, when I want to solve by myself today, like a homework, I solve only area and perimeter, yes?
Area and perimeter, yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Actually, I gave you some like extended math because inshallah you need all of this and O level, yes? And
yes.
But maybe you need it, and also if you go to Cambridge or EdXL, it doesn't matter. You're gonna use the same topic.
Okay, sir. Is there a homework? We should solve something and send it to you.
If you like, I can send you some problems if you like.
Okay. Can you send it on the group for everyone?
Okay, in the group, I will send the notes and the worksheet here. Okay. And also maybe if you like a casual quiz or something like this, no problem.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.